Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to move to a really nice short flow, so I'd say roll out your mat, let's get started. We're going to start in a nice comfortable seat. Roll your shoulders away from the ears, sit up nice and tall. Taking a deep breath in here. And a long breath out. Deep breath in. And a long breath out. One more here. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now we're going to start by finding some movements in the neck and creating these nice big circles. And moving them the other way around. And making your way back to center. Interlacing the hands behind the back and pressing the palms away from the body. Inhale here, maybe you look up if that feels good. And then we're going to bring both of our palms towards the right side of the body and allow the right ear to come towards the right shoulder. Feeling a nice stretch in the left side of the neck. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep breath in. And then we're reaching the hands back behind us. Bring the head back to center and go and bring the palms over towards the left. Drop the left ear over towards the left shoulder. And keep that deep belly breath going. And slowly release. Good. We're going to bring the hands towards the heart. And then we're going to bring the elbows up towards shoulder height. Now on an inhale, we reach the hands out towards the side, arms out towards the side. Keep the elbows bent. And then we're opening the chest. On an exhale, hands come together and we're rounding. Inhale, open it up. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, rounding in, you're doing great. Good. Inhale, open. And this time keep the hands as they are. We twist ourselves over towards the left. Inhale here. Exhale to center. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, twisting over towards the right. Inhale here. Exhale to center. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist towards the left. This time release the hands and finding a bit of a deeper twist. Inhale here. Exhale to center, open the arms, inhale. Exhale, round in. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist. And release. Inhale, sit up nice and tall, finding the twist. And then exhale. Bring yourself to center. Inhale, open. Exhale, grow in. And this time, releasing the hands and allow your head to round, to hang. Feel a nice stretch from the neck towards along the spine, all the way towards the lower edge of the back. Good. Then slowly making your way back up to center, and we're gonna make our way onto all fours. Good. From here, we are going to have the knees in line with the hips. Walk the hands forward. Allow the chest to drop, finding your melting heart pose. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, you're doing great. And one more deep breath in. Soften the chest down. Long breath out. Good. Elbows ground down, forearms ground down. Sliding the body forward. See if you can find a nice swings pose. Elbows underneath the shoulders. And then the wrists in line with the elbows. Sitting up nice and tall. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. One more deep breath in. And then pressing yourself back up. Reaching the hips back. See if you can keep the elbows grounded as much as possible. A little bit of a different version of the melting heart pose as we bring the hands overhead, letting the hands meet behind the head, and then pointing the fingers towards the crown of the head. Keep that belly button drawn in. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, doing great. One more deep breath in. Releasing the hands. And then bringing yourself slowly back up to hands and knees. Curling the toes under. Lifting up the hips, finding your downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Reaching one heel down, followed by the other. And then from there, we are going to bend the knees, step up the feet towards the outer edges of the hands. And then instead of coming with bent knees, straighten out the legs and move a little bit side to side. Bring the hips to one side, towards the other side. And from there, we vertebra by vertebra roll ourselves up. Roll the shoulders away from the ears. Stand up nice and tall. And then what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, reach the hands up towards the sky. And then on an exhale, we will hinge from the hips, moving with the hands through the heart, folding forward. Now bend the knees as much as you need to bring the hands on towards the mat. And then we will all bend the knees, sink the hips down, not towards your yogi squat. Stay up slightly higher, an active squat, reach the hands forwards. Good. Exhale, straighten out the legs, bring the hands back down. And then on an inhale, reaching the hands all the way back up towards the sky. Okay, stick with it now. Exhale, bending the knees and fold pulling yourself forward, hands meet the mat. Inhale, reaching the hands forward, lift up. Exhale, hands back down, folding forward. Hands reach down to come up, inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands towards the heart. Good. Hands reach up, inhale. Exhale, folding forward. Bending the knees, hands reach forward, nice and strong, low squat. Exhale, folding back forward. Inhale, reaching your hands all the way back up towards the sky, stand up tall. Exhale, hands towards the heart. Okay, hope you got the gist a little bit. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, bend the knees, active squat. Exhale, straighten out the legs, folding yourself back forward. Hands reach all the way up, inhaling. Exhale towards the heart. Inhale, reach up, create length. Exhale, hinge from the hips, folding forward, hands towards the mat. Bending the knees, the active squat. You're doing great. Bend the knees, folding forward. Inhale, reaching all the way up. Exhale, hands towards the heart. Okay, we're doing one more. This time we inhale, reach up. Exhale, bringing hands to the heart as we fold forward. Bend the palms, squat, but this time see if you can come into your malasana, sinking the hips all the way down. Okay, you're doing great. Then we're straightening out into the legs again, planting the palms. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Exhale, hands towards the heart. Good. Inhale, reach. Exhale, folding forward. Good. Bend the knees, sink down nice and low. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands towards the heart. Good. From here, we are going to be stepping the left leg back. Open it up. Finding a nice warrior two. Nice and strong, looking over the front fingertips. You're doing great. And then we're shifting over towards the back of the mat, finding Skandasana. Good. You're doing great. Inhale here. And then see if you can find Skandasana over towards the other side. And then pressing yourself back up into warrior two here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, Skandasana towards the front of the mat. Exhale, Skandasana towards the back of the mat. And this time, inhale, meeting in the middle with the legs extended. Good. We're gonna bring both toes towards the long side of the mat. And then we're gonna reach the hands towards the middle of the mat and see if you can find a nice wide-legged forward fold. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, you're doing great. One more deep breath in. And bringing yourself all the way up to center. Good. We're gonna heel toe the feet together until we come up in a nice standing position. And taking a deep breath in here. And a long breath out. Deep breath in. And a long breath out. One more inhale. Exhale. Great. Bring your hands towards the heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And I hope to see you back soon. Namaste.